Ever wondered how Python functions accept any number of arguments without breaking? Today, I'll show you two powerful tools that make your functions super flexible.
Let's say you're writing a function, but you don't know how many values users will pass. Hard-coding parameters won't work. That's where *args and *kwargs come in.
First, *args. The star means pack everything extra into one variable. When we call this function, Python collects all positional arguments and stores them inside a tuple. You can loop over them just like any tuple. It loops through all numbers and sums them up. Now let's talk about *kwargs. The double star handles named keyword arguments. When we call the function, Python packs everything into a dictionary with key value pairs. You can even use both together in one function. The item is pizza, which is the main dish. Extras is empty because no extra toppings were added. Details shows a dictionary with extra information. In this example, the item is pizza, the main dish. Extras now contains a tuple of toppings: cheese, olives, mushrooms. Details is the same as before, showing the extra info as a dictionary. This makes your function flexible and future-proof. Quick recap: *args collects extra positional arguments into a tuple. *kwargs collects keyword arguments into a dictionary. If this helped you understand Python better, hit like, subscribe, and check out more Python tips on the channel. See you in the next video.